This video on my channel has 480 something thousand views. What is up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to share a simple trick that will get you 4,000 hours of watch time within a matter of hours or even days in some cases. But in my personal case, I got 3,300 hours out of the 4,000 hours required to monetize a YouTube channel within a single day. So stick around, make sure you pay close attention to every single detail that I'm going to give out, because not every single creator is going to tell you this simple trick. At the moment, there are two methods of getting monetized on YouTube channel. Both of them require 1,000 subscribers. The first one is 10 million short views alongside the 1,000 subscribers, which is almost impossible unless if you're a short, I don't know, magician or something. And the other one is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. What that 4,000 hours of watch time means is people have to watch your videos for 240 minutes. 240,000, sorry, minutes. That's a really big number. We all know that there are different forms of content on YouTube. There is the shorts, there is landscape videos, which is also long form videos, and there is live stream. But in the past, we only have live streams in the horizontal format. But YouTube around early 2024 introduced a new type of live stream, which is the vertical live stream, which I specifically designed for mobile phone creators to live stream on their phones, and also for users to scroll through live streams just as they scroll through shorts. And this is our key focus in this video, the vertical live stream. If you have ever scrolled through the vertical live stream, you might have noticed that you've come across some of the live stream videos that you see the same video is being repeated, it's being looped over and over and over again. And it somehow keeps on getting views, like thousands of views or hundreds of views. And you're wondering, why do the creators do that? And why are people watching that kind of live stream? It's just basically the same thing being repeated over and over again. So what is so interesting and what is the secret behind it? That creator that is doing that is smart. They are playing smart, because any view that you get from that vertical live stream count towards your watch time hour. But remember that any watch hour generated through shorts does not count towards your watch hours. Only long form video watch hours and live stream watch hours count towards that 4,000 hours of watch time. So let's break it down. This morning I was scrolling through the vertical live stream and I came across this video on the screen, as you can see. This video has 1,700 people watching, and it's a loop video. It's the same video being repeated. A man is sitting down in a train and there's this massive hand that keeps on reaching in, trying to grab him from different doors, and it's the same video being repeated, but 1,700 people are watching that video. Let's calculate this. Let's just say, imagine if it's just 1,000 people watching this video, and I'm sure the video is up to a minute long, right? We have 60 minutes in an hour. So which means if 60 people watch that video for a minute, the person has gained 1 hour out of the 4,000 hours required. But in his case, he has 1,000 people watching. So which means that every minute that goes by, he has roughly gained 16.6 hours added to his watch time hour. So if that's the case, he streamed for an hour, he would have 990 something watch hours. That is almost 1,000 hours. Almost 1,000 hours. If that stream keeps on going for 4 hours, he would have 3,980 something. And if it goes on for like 5 hours, he has already gotten the 4,000 hours of watch time required by YouTube to monetize his channel, which is exactly the trick that I used. I streamed this video on my channel, has 480 something thousand views. It was a stream that I did using the same tactics, and it got me 3,300 hours. Roughly around 600 people are watching, but it fluctuates. It goes down, sometimes it goes up. But I kept on streaming for 9 hours straight, and at the end, I gained 3,300 watch hours. And not only that, on top of that, I've also gained, my subscribers went from 2,000 all the way up to 4,000. I rapidly gained 2,000 subscribers within that very day. And the platform that allowed me to loop my live stream is called Restream. There are other platforms which I'll list on the screen for you guys, but I personally have experience with Restream. And I've also made a video on my channel on how you can create a Restream account on Google and how you can loop your videos. If you want to watch that, I'll leave the link of that video in the description for you guys to check it out if you're really interested. I used this method to monetize my channel 4 months ago. And one of the things that I love is the fact that this is actually not illegal. So YouTube, it does not break any YouTube laws. It's very safe for your channel. And at the moment, Restream is free to use. I don't know about the other platforms that allow you to loop your live streams, but if you are really, really willing to get this 4,000 hours of watch time, you could just do it in a single day. I got 3,300. I couldn't believe it. Before I discovered this trick, I was stuck at 200 hours. My videos, whenever I post a YouTube video, I get around 10 views, 20 views, sometimes 50 if I'm lucky, sometimes 100, but mostly my videos are below 50 views. But after doing that loop stream, you can check it out on my channel. If you scroll down on the live streams that I've done on the channel, you can see that that video in particular got 460 something thousand views. That is the highest viewed video on my channel because I used the loop stream method. So I highly encourage and recommend small creators to follow this procedure to get their channel monetized. It's very safe, like I said, and it's very easy to do. Make sure you check out the video on how you can set up the account and how you can loop your YouTube videos, and hopefully you'll monetize your channel very soon. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. And if you have any questions regarding Restream or Loopstream on how you can start and all that sort of stuff, make sure you ask me in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.